So, hi everyone, this is Satyajit. So let's understand today what is GSI in DynamoDB, right? So before going to the what is GSI, right? Let's understand the situation where you will need GSI, right? So say this is one example of table where you have ID, name, and address, right? And ID is the primary key. Now, if you want to query given the ID, right, the primary key, you don't have problem, right? Because it will have an index, uh, the primary key index, and then you will get the result faster, which is good. Now, if you want to query for the using given name, right, what option do you have, right? You need to basically scan the table, and whenever the name matches with the given name, and you will find the answer, right? Which is bad, right? Basically, you will need to scan every time whenever you need to match the name, right? And if this is very frequent query, and then it will be very slow. So to solve this, we have GSI, uh, which is called Global Secondary Index. So what GSI does is you can create global secondary index of the field you want to query in faster, right? Say in this case, so what it will do, GSL will actually create the replica of the table, right? So which will have name and ID, and the name will be the primary key, which is actually different from the actual primary key table, right? This is actually GSI, and ID will be here, right? So in this way, this is also will be treated as a primary key, right? So that you will get the faster results. So to replica also, you have option whether you need to actually replica all the fields in the table, or just the minimal, right? Which is just primary key of the existing table and the GSI, right? So in this case, the name and the only the ID, right? Even you have an option also to copy the entire table also, which is when projection type is all, right? In this way, you will get the results directly, saying given the name Satyajit, you will get the whole details of the table. Otherwise, what option you have is basically you will get the primary key as a one ID given the name, and then you can query the actual table. So this way you need to make a two calls, right? Otherwise, you can have an option of making one call when you use projection type as a all. So this is the use of GSI. So using GSI, you are able to query it faster, and uh, basically which is actually creating the replica of the your table, and then trying to give you the faster results. I hope you understand what's the use of GSI in DynamoDB.